Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Car from Speak Smartly with Car, and today, as you all guys know, that about which topic I'm going to talk, that is how I practice alone for learning English, how I speak in English alone. So now let's get started our topic without squandering our single minute of time. But firstly, I just want you to say you one thing, that I am also learner like you. I am not saying that I am a beginner in English, but I would say that I am at an advanced level, but I am a learner. So if I will fumble in this video, sometimes maybe I will fumble because I am a learner, and if I would make any kind of mistake, so please let me know in the comment box, because I already told you that I am a learner. I am on the phase of learning, but I am at an advanced level. Okay, so I can speak in English in a good way. That is why I'm recording myself and I am sharing my experience with all of you guys. Okay, so if I will make any mistake, please let me know in the comment box, and I'll try to make that correct. Okay, so now let's get started our video. So firstly, I want you to say one thing, that don't make excuses while you want to learn English. When you want to learn English, don't make excuses. And why I'm saying like you shouldn't make excuses, because these are those kind of things which are holding you back to learn English. Like these kind of things are just holding you back. They are saying you to that no, I will start practice tomorrow, or I will start practice with my friend. But now you do not have any friend who want to learn English, who want to have conversations with you. So try to learn English with your own self. Okay, try to talk to yourself, because there is no one. Maybe there would be a person who like to talk to you in English, but there are mostly maximum person who don't like to talk in English here. Okay, in villages mostly. Okay, so what you can do, you can improve English by just talking to yourself in English. Now you guys might be thinking that she's talking about that you could talk to yourself in English, but how you can talk? Your parents will think that, oh, you lost your mind or you are going to be crazy. But it's okay, just avoid them. You are learning something, and if you're talking to yourself, that's okay. You are learning a language, so you have to speak up in that language. You have to speak out if you want to learn words in that language. And you all guys know, in my previous video I told you that you have to learn 3000 words if you want to learn English. And if you have 3000 words in English, you are 90% good, 95% good in English. Okay, but if you have 3000 words, then you will be able to speak in English. Okay, so if you have 3000 words, so that's very good thing for you. Okay, because 3000 words are that kind of words by the use of which you can make sentences. We have a lot of words, but we don't use them in our daily life. Okay, we have a lot of words, but we don't know how can we use those words in sentences. Okay, so you can make sentences. For example, you can talk to yourself in English. Okay, as I already told you that I practice alone with myself. I always create environment for myself. I create environment for myself. I do not have any friend who likes to talk in English. I just record myself in camera, and I just listen to me, and I just grab my mistakes, that where I am making mistakes in English. And sometimes when I'm talking in English, I also like catch my mistakes. Sometimes, actually many times, I make mistakes while talking in front of the camera. It's a very genuine thing. Okay, it's a natural. If we are learning any language, so we are trying to make sentences in that language, so definitely we will make mistakes are the proof that we are learning any language. Okay, so if I am making mistakes and you are making mistakes while learning any language, so that's going to be very okay, because one day you will be good in that language. Okay, but you have to start. So you have to start from today. You have to start from now, but you have to start. You have to start one day if you really want to be fluent in that language. For example, now you are learning English, you are trying to learn English, you are trying to speak in English, you are trying to make sentences in English. So if you want to learn these kind of things, You have to speak out in English. You have to speak out the words whatever you have learned in English, okay? And if you do not have any source to learn English, just normally try to use ChatGPT. That's a very good thing for you. That is a AI, artificial intelligence, by the use of which you can learn 70% of English. I would say that. I would suggest you, I would recommend you to use ChatGPT for learning English. Actually, ChatGPT is my best teacher. Okay, as I already told you in many of my videos that I cannot afford expensive classes to learn English. So I'm using ChatGPT. I have learned a lot of grammar by the help of ChatGPT, and I always practice chats with ChatGPT in English, like chatting. I like to chat with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is also my best friend and also my teacher, like also relative. Okay, I always use ChatGPT for learning anything. Like whenever I don't know about anything, I just go into the ChatGPT. I just click the picture, or I just type the text about which I want to learn, and I just ask to ChatGPT, please let me know about the details of this topic. And I got a lot of stuff. I always got a lot of stuff related to that thing. So if I can learn English, why can't you can also learn English. For example, you do not have vocabulary word. For example, you do not know how can you say very in different ways, like in 10 different ways. So you can easily ask to ChatGPT, please give me 10 different words for saying very, and you will get 10 different words related to saying very. If you will ask to ChatGPT, could you give me 10 examples by using these words, then you will get examples about that, about those words. If you will ask to ChatGPT, could you give me examples with the situations by using these words, then you will get situations and with examples. So if you are getting these kind of things, so now what's left? What's left? Okay, so try to use ChatGPT for learning English. But the next thing, if you don't want to use ChatGPT, try to talk to yourself. Try to make sentences, whether you are making sentences in a wrong grammatical structure or in a right grammatical structure, but try to make sentences. That's the thing that is going to help you a lot, that is going to work on your communication skills. Okay guys, but try to practice as much as you can. This is the thing which is going to help you. Okay, so try to make environment, try to create environment. If you don't want to use ChatGPT, if you don't want to talk to yourself, then try to talk in front of the mirror. Mirror should be your best friend for learning English. Okay, what do you have to do? You just have to speak out in front of the mirror. Try to think that mirror is your best friend, mirror is your sibling, and try to fight with your sibling in English in front of the mirror. Okay, this is how you are going to learn English. These are the steps, these are the methods which are going to help you a lot, but you have to apply these methods in your life if you really want to be fluent in English, if you really want to be perfect in English. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm speaking English in a very comfortable way. It's my comfort zone. Okay, I am speaking in English, whether sometimes I make mistakes, but I'm not feeling hesitate while speaking in English. Okay, sometimes I'm not getting words in my mind, sometimes words are refusing to come on my tongue, but I use another word instead of using the right word, but I am using words. Okay, whether I don't know the right word according to the situation, but I am using those words. And this is how you have to practice. For example, you do not know about what you can practice, so try to talk about the things whatever you are doing. For example, I'm talking in front of the camera, so I can easily see that I'm recording myself in the camera and I'm talking in front of the camera. Or I'm wearing earrings. Okay, or I would say that I'm sitting on the surface. Okay, I'm sitting on the surface. I'm not sitting on the in the chair. I'm sitting on the surface and I'm recording myself. And sometimes I'm thinking about the sentences. Sometimes I'm thinking about the grammar uh, structure for making sentences, like right structure. Okay, and many times I think about the vocabulary words, like what kind of words I can use in front of all of you guys. Like, you are listening to me, and if I'm using vocabulary words in this video, definitely you are going to learn those vocabulary words. If I will use 8 words, then there would be some possibilities that you guys will learn 4 words from those 8 words. Okay, so if I'm talking in English, if I'm using words, if I'm making sentences in English, I'm structuring sentences in English, so why can't you guys? I'm telling you that I'm from a Punjabi medium. My background is my Punjabi medium. Okay, I completed all of my studies in Punjabi medium, but after that, I started to learn English. I started to speak out in English, and I learned a lot about English in 3 years. I have been learning for 3 years. Okay, I would say that there was a subject of English in my school, but I was not that much able that I can speak like this in English. I can speak this much in English. I was not able. After completing my 12th, I worked a lot on my communication skills. I watched a lot of videos on related to English on YouTube. I searched a lot about English on Google. I searched a lot about English on ChatGPT. I have used a lot of applications related to learning ChatGPT, and I also used a lot of channels on YouTube for learning English. I searched a lot. Then I am this much able that I am able to speak in English in front of all of you guys. So if I can, why can't you? Why can't you? You can also learn English. What do you have to do? You just have to put your efforts. That's all. So guys, that's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, so please like it, subscribe my channel, and share my video as much as you can, and share this video with those kind of learners who are eager to learn English, who have guts to learn English. Thank you.